Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Toyota 4Runner key fob. First, gather all key fobs you want to program, including any that already work. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. You'll also need to locate the Diagnostic Link Connector, or DLC, which is typically found under the dashboard on the driver's side. This preparation ensures a smooth programming experience. To begin, sit in the driver's seat with the door open. Insert your key into the ignition and remove it 2 times within 5 seconds. Next, close and open the driver's door 2 times, then insert the key into the ignition. Immediately close and open the driver's door 2 more times and finally, remove the key. This sequence prepares your vehicle for programming. Now, insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, then immediately turn it off. The door locks should cycle once, indicating the vehicle is ready. Within 40 seconds, press any button on your new key fob for 1 second. The door locks will cycle again, confirming that the key fob has been successfully registered. If you have additional key fobs to program, simply repeat the button press for each one within the 40-second window. Once all fobs are registered, remove the key from the ignition to exit programming mode. Test each key fob to ensure it functions correctly. For more great deals and to grab a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.